A nail artist who has spent 23 years growing her nails, which takes every week to color, has been crowned with the title of the world's longest fingernails by Guinness World Records. A nail artist from Houston, Texas, identified as Ayana Williams, has been crowned with the title of the world's longest fingernails by the 2018 Guinness World Records, and in total, her nails measure quite 18 feet long, each of which is simply under 2 feet long. She has also revealed that the foremost challenging thing about having extremely long fingernails, which may take up to at least 1 week to color, is pulling up her trousers. While she is constantly getting much attention for her nails and knows she is quite unique, her friends and family think it's quite normal. In order to require care of her nails, Ayana uses antibacterial soap and a nail brush to wash them daily. And to assist them to grow, she regularly applies hardener and a skin layer of acrylic.